Imagine a bird that almost never touches the ground. A creature born to live nearly its entire life in the sky. Meet the common swift, Heel, one of the most extreme flyers on Earth. Every year, these resilient common swifts travel thousands of kilometers across Europe, Africa, and Asia, completing one of the most remarkable migrations. They eat while flying, catching tiny insects directly from the air. Scientists discovered that common swifts can even sleep while flying. Their brains rest in short intervals, while their wings continue moving automatically. They spend months without landing, surviving rain, wind, and long migrations entirely in the air.
These birds can fly faster than most animals on Earth, reaching incredible speeds in open skies.
Unlike most birds, common swifts struggle to walk on the ground. Their bodies are designed almost entirely for flight. Even their young are built for life above the clouds. For the common swift, the sky is not just a home, it is their entire world. Nature created a bird that almost never stops flying. And honestly, it feels almost unreal.